now that I've dry clamped this, and I'm just going to make sure I'm going to check this is square before I put in the glue, because it wants to be, all my corners need to be at the right angles. So we can either use, now we should usually be using our tri-square, but this is called an engineer's square, and it's just set at 90 degrees, and it allows me to just go into the corners, and I can check that the box I'm making at the moment are all at 90 degrees. So along the blade and the stem are touching the material, and I know this box is all nice and square. So that's one way of checking for square. Another way is that I can take my steel rule, if I didn't have a engineer's square, and I can measure from one corner across the other, and you can see that's about 24.3 millimeters across that diagonal. And if it measures exactly the same across this diagonal too, which it does, that means that the box I'm putting together is nice and square.